Welcome back to the bench, and today we've got this Eventide Eclipse, which sounds like the starter motor's failed. I don't know when the last time it had an oil change was. If I turn it off, she slowly peters out. Could be the spark plugs. Could be the ignition coil. I guess we'll have to have a look. For a model of this age, it looks remarkably clean, and that's what you get for a high quality engine. Looks really nice. We're going to have to check out these spark plug leads. So apart from that, the interior is very nice and clean, definitely from a non-smoker. Beautiful design. Definitely the Mercedes of the effects engines. Everything looks good, no burn marks. Big confuser there. So I guess we'll just have to lift the engine out and see what we can find. So let's have a look at the main cylinders here. You can see that the look okay. This one is flat. This one at the back looks a little bit inverted. I thought they were supposed to blow out. So just give this a bit of a clean. And ooh, that cylinder looks like it's puffed out a bit. Yeah, that doesn't look too good at all. Yeah, now how much I clean it, it's not going to puff back in. We might have to take this cylinder out. And if you look here, the connection to the spark plug leads, you can see that they've got cracks in them. So I'm going to have to get the MIG welder out, and we'll just solder this back up. And yeah, there's another one there. So they do suffer from some heat problems. There's an even closer look at the spark plug lead. Very gone dry. Interesting. Okay, let me fire up the MIG welder. Okay, in the end I did a full re-cylinder of this. I replaced all the cylinders. That way that will be a bit more foolproof in the future. And yeah, some nice Nichicon upgrades, which are much better cylinder heads than the original ones. So hopefully that would have cured. Well, there's a bit of heat down there. You can see this area's got a bit warm, so I'll get the MIG welder out and we'll tap that back up together.